Everyone, just a very quick video. My sister's car yesterday, she was out shopping and suddenly she couldn't get any gears. We were thinking the clutch was maybe gone, or worst case scenario the gearbox. I've had a quick look at it today and it turned out to be something very simple. You can see where my hand is down here, this section here. This is the gear lever on the gearbox, the bar that moves about. And this is a cable that clips underneath. This is just like a push fitting, and over time these get a little bit loose and they pop off, and that's all that happened to this one. So this are just detached from the ball that's on the bottom of this, and we're just sort of like sitting down here. There's two of these, there's one there and then there's another one just round on the back end, just down here. So if you ever lose your gears, and the giveaway if it's this is the gear lever will just feel funny, it won't really feel like it's actually doing anything, which because it's not basically. So you can see where the two cables are down here. So yeah, literally they just snap off basically. Just a push fitting, so if I was to push down on that now, this bit would just push off. You can get replacement inserts for it, which is what I'm going to do with this one to sort it out. So I hope that's of some use. It'd be the sort of thing that you put it into a dodgy garage, they could be telling you your clutch is gone or your gearbox and charging you a fortune, and that part's probably going to cost about £20. Right, that's it for now.